Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? Think again. What if I told you that just $100 could be the first step toward building your future wealth? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing. Even if you're broke, brand new, or just getting started. This isn't theory, it's real, simple, and beginner-friendly. Let's dive in. If you think you need thousands of dollars to start investing, think again. With just $100, you can begin your journey toward financial freedom. Investing is no longer reserved for the wealthy. Thanks to technology, micro-investing platforms, and accessible financial tools, anyone can start small and grow big over time. In this guide, we'll walk you through smart and simple ways to start investing with only $100, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Shift your mindset. The first thing to understand is that investing isn't about having a lot of money up front. It's about consistently putting your money to work. Even $100 can open doors if used wisely. The key is to shift your thinking from spending to growing. Rather than seeing $100 as an insignificant amount, treat it as the foundation of your wealth-building journey. With time, patience, and strategy, that small amount can grow. Step 2. Set a clear goal. Ask yourself, why are you investing? Is it for retirement, building wealth, saving for a home, or gaining financial independence? Having a goal gives your investment direction and helps you decide how aggressive or conservative your strategy should be. A clear goal keeps you focused and motivated during market ups and downs. Step 3. Build a simple emergency fund. First, before investing, make sure you have at least some cash set aside for emergencies. Even if it's just $200, $500 in a savings account, it will help you avoid dipping into your investments during a financial crisis. Once that's covered, your $100 is fair game to start investing. Step 4. Choose the right investment platform. With just $100, you need to use a platform that allows low minimums and low or zero fees. Here are a few beginner-friendly options in the US. Robinhood. No commissions and allows fractional shares of popular stocks and ETFs. Fidelity. Offers zero minimum investment index funds and free trading. Charles Schwab. Great for beginners, allows fractional shares. Acorns. Automatically invests your spare change. Great for passive beginners. Public.com. Combines investing with social media-style community learning. SoFi Invest. No commission, beginner-friendly interface, and educational resources. Choose one based on your style. Do you want to be hands-on or passive? Step 5. Start with fractional shares or ETFs with $100. Buying full shares of some stocks, like Amazon or Tesla, may be out of reach. That's where fractional shares come in. These allow you to buy a portion of a share for as little as $1. You can own a slice of big-name companies and still be diversified. Even better, consider investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are collections of stocks bundled into one, giving you instant diversification. Popular beginner ETFs include VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market, VOO, SP 500 ETF, QQQ, Top Tech Stocks, SPY, another SP 500 option. With just $100, you could buy a fractional share of any of these and be invested in hundreds of companies. Step 6. Automate your investing. One of the most powerful tools for beginner investors is automation. Once you start investing, set up automatic contributions, even $20 or $30 a month. This is called dollar cost averaging, DCA. You invest the same amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Over time, this reduces your average cost per share and helps build wealth without emotional decision-making. Apps like Acorns or M1 Finance allow for easy automation, helping you stay consistent without thinking about it. Step 7. Reinvest your earnings. Every time you earn dividends or see a small return, reinvest it. Don't withdraw your gains early. Let your money snowball through compound interest. This is the process where your investments earn returns, and those returns generate more returns. It's how small investments grow big over time. For example, Investing $100 and adding just $25 per month with a 7% annual return could grow to over $6,000 in 10 years. That's the power of compounding. Step 8. Keep learning. Stay patient. The market will go up and down. That's normal. The best investors stay in the game and keep learning. Use your $100 as a tool to learn how the market works. Watch videos, read blogs, and follow financial educators online. The more you understand, the better decisions you'll make with bigger amounts down the line. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Real investing is about time in the market, not timing the market. Stay focused on long-term growth, not overnight success. Step 9. Avoid these common mistakes. As a beginner, it's easy to fall into traps. Avoid these. Chasing hype stocks. Just because something is trending doesn't mean it's a good investment. Trying to day trade. It's risky and often leads to losses, especially with small amounts. Ignoring fees. Even small fees eat into small investments quickly. Choose platforms with low or no fees. Pulling out money early. Let your investment grow. Don't cash out at the first sign of profit or panic. Step 10. Celebrate small wins. Every time you invest, even just a few dollars, celebrate. You're building a habit most people never do. It's not about how much you invest at first. It's about getting started and staying consistent. Your future self will thank you. Final thoughts. Starting with $100 may not seem like much, but it's enough to get you into the world of investing. It's enough to learn the basics, build habits, and start your financial journey. Everyone starts somewhere. The important part is to start now. Use the tools available, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. You don't need a fortune to start building one. With just $100, you're on your way. So now you know, $100 is all it takes to kickstart your investing journey. Remember, it's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tips on building wealth from scratch. Drop a comment below with your favorite investing app, or ask me anything. I respond to every comment. Until next time, invest smart and keep moving forward.